Yeah, I'll take it. I mean, it's at least 100th faster than I went this morning. Just working on things, working hard. Every time it feels better, feels a little different. I don't like to hold back in the morning. I think people know that about me now. So, it's all about seeing how fast I can go and getting that feel back. And so each swim I have the opportunity to do that. I love racing Sarah. When I saw that she was coming, it was a little bit like I wanted to be there. I want her to know that I'm going to be there and I'm going to be a challenge, and she wasn't just going to crush me. So a little bit in my mind, I was like, I wish I could have a couple more months of training, but I'm happy with that. I mean, I fought really hard. I didn't feel like she just blew me away. I felt like I was there till the end. I kind of started to die off a little bit more, but with that swim, I think I'm definitely headed in the right direction.